Hey everyone, this is Momma from Blessing by Design. I'm here to introduce you to the classic design of our recipe and menu digital planner. It has a classic kitchen color palette. It's got a marble background and some soft neutral blue, green, and gray colors. This is a real simple planner, and it's got some tabs that are linked across the top and across the sides. This first tab is going to always get you back to our front cover. This next tab is one called Family Faves, where you can store your recipes that your family loves the most. Using the tools in the Xodo app, I can handwrite in recipes with a pen tool and my stylus, or I can use the text tool and type them in. Or I can even copy recipes from the web. Next, you'll find the Extras tab. On this page, you'll have access to 6 included pre-designed templates. One for recipes, one for recipes that's unlined, a grocery list, and a weekly meal plan. You can copy any of these as many times as you want and store them wherever you want to in your planner. These blank tabs might be a place where you store grocery lists or menu plans or special diets. Also, we've included a simple party plan and a full party plan. If you need to expand your planner with some special resources or notes, we've also included just a blank page and a line rule page that you can duplicate. Here along the side, there are 9 categories that we have already labeled for appetizers. When you punch the tab, when you tap any of these tabs, it's going to go to the landing page, and it has the name of this category. We have appetizers, we have main dishes, side dishes, bread, breakfast, drinks, soups and salads, sweets, and miscellaneous recipes. Now, behind each one of these tabs, you're going to already find 6 blank recipe cards. You can either fill those in, or you can delete those and use some of our unlined ones or use blank ones, or you can create your own templates. We actually have 10 buttons here that are linked to blank pages that you can use the annotating tools in Xodo to create your own templates for how you like to maybe organize your recipes. Also, on every single page, we have a question mark. When you tap on that, you're going to come to our help section. And there's just a few pages here for adding pages and indexing and labeling instructions step by step. And we have GoodNotes, and we also have Xodo instructions. These pages will be very helpful when you're getting to know your planner. We also are going to be creating more videos, and you can always access our YouTube channel right here from this page. I know that was kind of a short video, but I just wanted to introduce you to this beautiful new planner. Thanks for watching. Be blessed and have a great day.